Need help setting up your HP DeskJet 4155e? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get your printer ready in just a few minutes. Start by removing all the packaging materials, including every piece of orange tape and cardboard inside the printer. Make sure nothing is left before turning it on. Plug in the power cable and turn on the printer. Open the ink access door and install the HP ink cartridges until they click into place. Next, load plain letter-size paper into the input tray. Adjust the paper guides so the sheets fit securely. Download the HP Smart app on your Windows PC, Mac, Android, or iPhone. Open the app, choose Add Printer, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your HP DeskJet 4155e to your Wi-Fi. After the connection is complete, the printer may print an alignment page. Follow the prompts in the HP Smart app to finish the alignment process for the best print quality. Now print a test page to confirm everything is working properly. Your printer is ready for wireless printing, scanning, and copying. If this video helped you set up your HP DeskJet 4155e, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more HP printer setup and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching!